everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Kat. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom, and an avid reader. For everyone else, welcome back. We have reached the end of the month, and that means, if I can pick it up, that it's time to unbox my Probably Smut book of the month. I've only just cut the tape open so that it's a little bit easier for me in a minute. But I did want to share with you my thoughts on Fragile Hopes. This one very much has a lot of Gilmore Girls small town vibes in it. We have a 26-year-old who is raising her 16-year-old brother due to circumstances in their lives, and she has put her dreams on hold to make her brother's dreams of becoming a pilot come true. In the process of all of this, she meets her grumpy neighbor, Ford, who is a firefighter. I loved their first interaction together when she tells him that he smells, and it's because he had been putting out a fire earlier during the night. So just really funny. A lot of banter in this one. Ford is a firefighter who is dealing with the breakup of his marriage due to he and his wife having very different opinions on certain very important aspects in a marriage, and now he basically has sworn off women. So when Ivy seems to be flirting with him, he puts on this very grumpy facade toward her, but toward the rest of the city, or the rest of the town, he is the sweetest cinnamon roll type guy, and she basically calls him on it. Very cute story overall. Really enjoyed it. It is a romance. It does have some spice in it, but not super. It's probably a 3 chili pepper, so there is at least one open door scene, but for the most part, it's tame to what is out there. But I really enjoyed it. And now it's time to turn our attention to the next book. This, by the way, was May's book of the month. And so here we have June's to open up. All right, well, Ember and I have come to a compromise here on my unboxing table. She's going to stay over here, and I'm going to unbox over here. All right, so for our box, when we open it up, we have our stickers and our goodies in here. Oh, let me make room for myself. All right, so this month, is that all you wanted? You just wanted the string? Yeah, you wanted the string? Boop. Okay, back to the unboxing. She's cute. All right, so we have Fever Dream by Elsie Silver. And I do know that this is a Western romance. So we'll look at that one in just a minute. We also have our book review cards, our suggested annotation key, Emmett, Julia, laughing emojis, slow burn, so sweet, the spice is spicing, character development, side characters, favorite moments, and favorite quotes, along with the tabs. And these colors are gorgeous. And then we have our stickers. So we have Stallbrant Ranch, Emerald Lake. Thanks for visiting. Do I need to go out? There it goes. A Always in need of a forbidden romance. It's trying to focus. And then our quote, being loved by you, it doesn't feel like being shackled. It feels like the most precious gift. It feels like finally coming home. And again, our cover, those colors are just gorgeous. And then our back, because while I've always sworn I wouldn't date a cowboy, I'd be willing to make an exception for this one. All right, so let's see what this one is about. All right, so for Fever Dream, this is a forbidden love, small town romance, brothers rival, Playboy bull rider MMC, all the banter, forced proximity, slow burn, reality dating show, and cowboy romance. And it says, professional bull rider Emmett Bush is not looking for love. He's looking for a paycheck to save his family's farm from bankruptcy. So, when he agrees to be the leading man on a hot new reality dating show, Romance Ranch, he's already decided it's been one big performance. Until Julia Silva walks into his property. Smart, snarky, beautiful, and off limits in more ways than one. As the local consultant on set and the little sister of his most bitter professional rival, she's the last woman who should pique his interest. Julia has been warned about Emmett. She knows better than to fall for his cocky swagger, broad shoulders, and smoldering good looks. Plus, she's sworn off relationships. But as Julia and Emmett work together, mutual distaste grows into an unexpected connection. And then something more. Soon they find themselves searching for excuses to spend time together and out of reach of the cameras. Knowing glances, stolen kisses, secret rendezvous. Still, Emmett signed up to play the role of an eligible bachelor searching for the one. His family's land and legacy depend on him completing the show. The problem is, he's already fallen in love, just not with the contestant. So I'm excited to give Fever Dream a shot. I'm really hoping that there is an audio to this one. The audio for Fragile Hopes was not out yet, but I am really enjoying, especially with tabbing these ones, having the audio play in my ears as I am reading it and following along. It's just been a great immersive experience with all of these. So I will see you guys next time with an update on Fever Dream. Bye.